In this video, I will be showing you how to send liked songs to Snapchat. Have you ever liked a song so much that you wanted to share this to your other social media platform, like Snapchat? Now, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's just say you open your Spotify and you wanted to share your liked songs here. Let's just say you have a playlist of your liked songs. Okay, so for example, this one, a song from Taylor Swift. So if you're going to specifically send this like song, just one like song on Spotify, all you have to do is to click this three dots here and tap share, and you can share it to your other social media platforms. For example, I'm going to click this three dots and then click share, and I have the options to where I can send this, and one of those social media platforms is Snapchat. So this time, I'm going to show you a specific or exact sample for that. Okay, so I'm going to share this Lover by Taylor Swift. So all you have to do is to click the three dots, tap the share, go to Snapchat, and then now that you're in your Snapchat account, your like song from Spotify will automatically appear here. And you can freely edit everything, for example, the colors, or you can even add some text. Let's just say, for example, I am going to add a text like Taylor, and you can edit the font, the colors, everything here before you share this like song to your Snapchat account. So once done, you can now click next. As a matter of fact, you can also add this to your story. You can save this one to your memories, save to memories in camera roll. And then once done, you can now start sending this to any of your friends here on Snapchat. Tap the person's name and then click the arrow here for you to send this like song from Spotify. You can also tap as many as you can to share this Spotify like song of yours. It's easy as that. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.